Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin and Coinbase update. Remember, a lot of people have been asking Coinbase to list Terra Classic Coin, although Coinbase have before then said they will be supporting a lot of coin this year, 2023, and we are hoping that Terra Classic will definitely become one of the coins Coinbase will be listing and partnering this 2023. And one important thing I love about this is that Terra Classic have actually started the year with an impressive increase in price, and it's a good thing for Terra Classic to start increasing, and the market cap as of today is now trading over $1 billion. I'm happy to see this. Now for Coinbase to actually come and list this coin, I think it's possible, and I believe maybe before the mid of this year Terra Classic will get the support from Coinbase. And there have been so many rumors surrounding Coinbase listing Terra Classic coin, and I believe that Coinbase are now more getting interested on Terra Classic coin, and I believe if they can really list this coin alongside Binance that have already listed this coin, Terra Classic is definitely going to hit a massive increase in price. Just like last year, we also saw Terra Classic really increasing in price with all the support I've been gaining. I believe they are going to continue this year with an impressive increase, and especially now that Bitcoin, the king of crypto coins, BTC, is now hitting over $22,000 for the first time in the past 5 or 6 months. And remember, since BTC started increasing, so many coins have also started gaining massive increase, and also Terra Classic coin. I'm happy for the fact that a lot of millions have been traded on Terra Classic in the past. Almost $200 million is being traded on Terra Classic on a daily basis. People are pumping in money, whales are pumping in money, and I believe very soon the market cap will be hitting over $2 to $3 billion. And with that, of course, we are expecting over 100 to 200% increase in price. Now this year, Terra Classic, there's a possibility of this coin deleting between 1-0 or even 2-0. It all depends on how the developers will keep working hard to make sure that Terra Classic gain the support of all the top crypto exchanges, and also the burning of Terra Classic will really increase in price. And I hope to see Terra Classic at the top before the end of the year. I hope this year Terra Classic holders will have a reason to smile, and I hope that before the end of 2025 this coin must have hit about 1 penny or even $1. Well, of course, there's a possibility that Terra Classic will definitely increase before the end of this year. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.